today's video, we'll be reviewing an awesome miner that costs less than 50 bucks. Let's jump straight into the video, but don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. So this is the Bitcoin Solo Mini Lottery Miner from Jingle Mining. It costs less than $50. These miners have become very popular over the last couple of months simply because they are very cheap, they are very energy efficient, and it is like playing the lottery. This small miner mines Bitcoin, but as you guys know, mining BTC is very difficult and it costs a lot of money for the big machines and a lot of electricity to power those machines. What these small miners allow you to do is mine Bitcoin at a very small hash rate, thus giving you a very small chance of hitting a block and making thousands of dollars. So a lot of people will get these miners simply to play the lottery in hopes of getting a block and making some free Bitcoin. Also, I will be giving out one of these miners for free to one of you guys, so make sure you watch the video until the very end. So just like the lottery, with these miners, if you are very lucky and your small $50 miner hits a block and you make a ton of money, you make thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin, or you can simply plug this miner in and let it mine away for months, years, and you might not even receive a single penny. That is why it is called the lottery miner. But these miners are super energy efficient. They are very simple to set up and use. Also, they cost less than 50 bucks. So a lot of people are trying them out. I've seen people that have 10, 20, 30 of these miners in hopes of hitting a block and making a ton of money. Obviously, the more miners you have, the higher the chances of you hitting a block and making some money. So will this Bitcoin lottery miner make you a millionaire overnight? Probably not, but it is a great gift idea for a person that loves crypto or just to gamble 50 bucks to see if you actually hit the block. So if you have friends or family that are interested in crypto and they want to start mining, this is an amazing way to start. And now let me show you this miner and how you can get one absolutely free in today's giveaway. All right, so now we are in my little mining setup, and as you can see right here, this is the miner. Check it out. It is super small, super tiny. As you can see right now, currently it is mining just over 50 kilohashes. So these miners are super easy to activate. All you got to do is plug it into a power supply. It is a USB, so you can plug it into a computer, a laptop, into the wall, connect it to the Wi-Fi, and it will automatically start mining crypto. Super small, fits in the palm of your hand, very light, but it mines crypto. And who knows, maybe I get lucky and it hits a block and I make thousands of dollars, or it just sits over here plugged into the wall making me absolutely nothing. It also comes with this cool little box, as you can see, Jingle Miner, and that is it. Simply plug it in and you're ready to go. I will be making a full step-by-step tutorial how to actually activate one of these miners and get it to mine crypto. Super easy, takes less than a minute, so stay tuned for that video. So if you click the link in the description box below, it will take you to the Jingle Mining website and you'll be able to see the Bitcoin Solo Mini Lottery Miner. As you can see, it is selling for under 50 bucks and it has free shipping. It tells you a little bit more information about the miner and all of that important information. As you can see, the hash rate, it states that it is 75 kilohashes, but mine is mining at 55. I will be showing you guys how you can get it all the way up to 75 in the next video when I'll be flashing my device so I can increase my chances of making some money. Then it gives you more specifications about the miner, the RAM, the power supply, all of that important information. And then right here is some very good info. It draws every 10 minutes. So every single day you will have 144 chances to hit the lottery and win some Bitcoin. Also 50,000 times a year. So with this miner, it can literally mine for months and months, years without making you anything. But if you hit it big time, you'll be able to win 6.25 Bitcoin, which is definitely a lot of money. And if we do a simple calculation right now, Bitcoin is $41,701. If we multiply that by 6.25, that is $260,000. I'm hoping I hit it, but chances are very, very small. But who knows? Maybe one of you guys will be lucky and maybe one of you guys win this big prize and you make a ton of money. In my opinion, it is definitely worth the $50 investment. And now let me show you how you can get one absolutely free. So to have a chance to win a free miner, all you have to do is smash the like button and drop a comment below and tell me what you would buy if your miner hits the jackpot and you get over $260,000 worth of Bitcoin. In the next 24 hours after the video is published, I will be using one of those random comment pickers to pick out a random comment to send one of these miners to. So the comment that gets selected will win the free miner, and I will be replying to you in the comment section below to get things going from there. So don't forget, smash the like button, drop a comment, and you might have a chance to win. As you guys know, this channel does not get a ton of views, so your chances of getting this free miner are pretty good. Also, for all of you guys that want to purchase this miner, I would appreciate it if you use the link in the description box below. And I will be making future updates on this miner as well, so stay tuned for those. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.